please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Well, hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies here in Plaistow, New Hampshire, and with me again is Tim McDonough, the National Sales Manager for Radiant Pools. How you doing, Tim?
I'm doing well, Kent. Thank you very much. I appreciate coming back.
Oh, absolutely. Always a pleasure. So Radiant Pools have been one of our best-selling options for the longest time now because they're the most versatile pools that we can install. We can put them in ground, above ground, and anywhere in between. And with their insulated walls, we're able to keep the water a lot warmer just naturally here in this New England market. Tim, what else can you tell me about those pools?
Well, it's a very unique pool in the industry. You guys we've been in the business. Radiant Pools was established in 1958, so we've been in business for well over 60 years. And our product line, the Metric Series pool, that's the pool that can go in ground, above ground, or semi in ground. That's what you guys build, and it is just a big part of our business. And it has been very successful for us. Now, the product itself is unique because it's a R10 insulated wall with an aluminum skin front and back, and it's a structural panel. So as far as, the versatility of the product, that's what gives it the ability to be backfilled directly against it or semi-backfilled. And as far as, the R10 insulation that gives you heat retention in the pool. That's the polystyrene in the middle, that's sandwiched in the middle, and that has R10 insulation. So that is, if you're selling heaters, for example, heat pumps with your pools, which is the most efficient way to heat your pool, that is a great source. Our product is great as far as preserving that heat in that pool. It can save up to 70% of the heat loss through the sidewall of the pool. Now we know that, as long as you put a solar cover on the pool, that diminishes the heat loss right out of the top of the pool.
Yep. That's great. So warmer, stronger, and versatile. It's a great product you got there.
Well, thank you.
So Tim, one of the other features I really like about your pool is the warranty. Tell me a little bit about that.
Sure, absolutely. That is one of the very distinguishing features of our product. So Radiant has a lifetime warranty that is fully transferable, and it's an unlimited warranty that warrants against any kind of manufacturer's defect. So, it's a warranty that we've had from the beginning. This goes back to, like I said earlier, in 1958 when the company started. We've always had a full lifetime transferable warranty. So, for example, if you move into a house, you build a pool, you have a pool built in the yard, and you sell that. Say you have to sell your house, you go back, you can transfer that warranty directly to that other person. So it's a fully transferable warranty. Or even if you took it down, the pool down, say it was a 24-foot above ground, they took it down and they wanted to move it with them, that warranty still transfers with that product.
That's amazing.
It's not based on the original installation.
Really sets you guys apart.
Yes, it really does.
Well, here at Easy Test Pool Supplies, we are proud to partner and install the Radiant Pools. We're looking for a great 2021 season. We truly appreciate Tim for coming down here and speaking with us. And if you're looking for more information on Radiant Pools, click the link in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe if you like more videos like this, or stop by any of our 3 locations. Tim, thanks again for coming down.
Thank you, Ken. It's been a pleasure, and we appreciate the partnership with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.